This 2013 Winnebago Adventurer 32H is a Class A RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Curvel's RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 6, stovetop burner, self-contained, LP detector, DVD player, smoke detector, microwave, air conditioning, TV, auxiliary battery, skylight, and 88 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features full wall slide, outdoor entertainment. This 2013 Winnebago Adventurer 32H is built on a Ford F-Series Super Duty chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Curvel's RV.